Let me tell you a secret doctors don't explain well enough. Do you know why supplements like vitamins and minerals help some people and do nothing for others? For example, two people take the same vitamin. One of them feels very amazing and the other feels nothing. Why? This is because vitamins and minerals work like a team. If one is missing, the whole system breaks down. So in this video, I'm going to show you how vitamins and minerals quietly control your health, your mood, and your energy. Most people think food is all about calories, but your body actually runs on something much smaller: vitamins and minerals. Think about your body like a car. Calories are the fuel, but vitamins and minerals are the engine oil, the brake fluid, and the spark plugs. Without them, things slowly start breaking down. Minerals and vitamins are called micronutrients. That just means that your body needs them in very small amounts, but they do big jobs. They help you make energy, heal wounds, fight infections, and keep your brain working properly. Here is the problem: your body cannot make them on its own. You must get them from food. Vitamins come in two main types: fat-soluble vitamins. These are vitamin A, D, E, and K, and are stored in your body like money in a savings account. Water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins. These are used quickly, and whatever your body doesn't use gets flushed out of your body through urine. That's why you need them often. But minerals are different. Minerals come from earth, from soil and water, and then move through plants and animals and finally to you. You already know calcium and potassium, but even the tiny minerals like zinc, iodine, copper, they all matter more than you think. So here is the takeaway here: you can be eating a lot of food and still be missing what your body truly needs. And that's where the real health begins. Let's talk about vitamin A, the eye vitamin that does way more than you think. Many people believe that vitamin A is only for eyesight. That's not correct. Yes, your eyes need it. So does your skin, your immune system, and the way your body grows and repairs itself. Vitamin A is like behind the scene worker. You do not notice it until it is missing. How does vitamin A benefit you? Vitamin A helps your eyes to adjust to low light. For example, when you're returning from a night party, thank vitamin A for assisting you see better. It keeps your skin smooth and healthy. It helps the lining of your lungs and your gut, and it helps your immune system fight infections. Vitamin A is like oil in an engine. Small amount, but huge impact. What happens when you don't have enough? When your body runs low on vitamin A, warning signs will start to appear. You may struggle to see at night. That is called night blindness. Your eyes may feel dry or irritated. Your skin or your hair becomes dry, and you may get sick often. In very severe cases, if the deficiency is not treated, it can lead to blindness. That's how important this vitamin is. Can there be too much vitamin A in the body? And in that case, what happens? The answer is yes. In fact, too much vitamin A can be dangerous. High doses, especially from supplement, can cause dizziness, nausea, blurry vision, bone pain, and liver problems. During pregnancy, too much vitamin A is not good for the developing baby. It can actually harm a developing baby. So more is not always better. What is the best way to get vitamin A? The safest way to get vitamin A is from food. 1. From plant sources such as carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, kale, and mangoes. 2. From animal sources such as eggs, milk, fish oils, and liver. Plant food will give you beta carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A only when it needs it. That makes it even safer. Here is the takeaway. Vitamin A deficiency is very rare unless you have conditions that interfere with normal digestion, such as drinking too much alcohol or liver disease. Don't go about chasing supplements blindly. Build your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, and you'll be fine. Take a moment for your health. Share this video to help others and follow for more.